Divide 465 into three parts, which are in the ratio 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 5. Now, from the first part of the sentence, let's assume the three parts to be A, B, and C. So the first equation comes out to be A plus B plus C is equal to 465. Now, it is given to us that these numbers are in the ratio A is to B is to C is equal to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 5. Now, whenever you have the ratios given to you in fractions, we have to multiply it by the LCM of the denominators so that we can convert them into integral ratios. Now, the denominators here are 2, 3, and 5. So, therefore, the LCM will be 30. So, therefore, 1 by 2 into 30 is to 1 by 3 into 30 is to 1 by 5 into 30. So the ratio comes out to be 15 is to 10 is to 6. Now we have to find each of these ratios. Now we can assume A as 15x, B as 10x, and C as 6x. Now, if we substitute these values in the first equation, we will have it as 15x plus 10x plus 6x, that is 31x is equal to 465. Now, therefore, x is equal to 465 divided by 31. So, therefore, x comes out to be 15. Now, if we substitute value of x in the values of A, B, and C, we'll get A is equal to 15 into 15, that is 225. B is equal to 15 into 10, that is 150. And C is 15 into 6, that is 90. So these are the three parts of 465.